In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to quickly clean up your Gmail inbox by marking unread emails as read in a few simple clicks. This approach is fast, accurate, and doesn't move or delete anything, so it's perfect when you just want to clear visual clutter and start fresh. Begin by opening your Gmail account in a web browser so you can see your inbox. At the very top of the page, click into the search bar. Type is unread exactly like that, no spaces, and press Enter. This is a built-in Gmail search operator that filters your mailbox to show only messages that are currently unread. The results update instantly, and you'll be looking at a focus list that can include items from primary, social, promotions, and other categories as long as they're unread. Next, move to the upper left area above the list of messages. You'll see a small checkbox just above the first email. Click that checkbox. Gmail will select every conversation visible on the current page of results. If your settings show 50 messages per page, all 50 will be highlighted at once. This batching makes it easy to review what's selected before you change the status, so take a quick glance to ensure nothing critical is included that you still need to act on. With those unread emails selected, look to the toolbar that runs across the top of the message list. Click Mark as Read. You'll recognize it by the open envelope icon. As soon as you click, Gmail removes the unread status from the selected conversations. The bold text will drop to normal weight, and the blue unread indicators will disappear, confirming everything you selected is now marked as read. A few quick notes to help you stay in control. Mark as read doesn't delete, archive, label, or move your emails. It only changes their read status. Your messages stay exactly where they are, so you can still search for them or come back later. If you realize you clicked too quickly, look for the brief undo prompt that appears at the bottom of the screen right after the action. Click it immediately to reverse the change, and that's it. By opening Gmail, filtering with Is Unread, selecting the results using the top left checkbox, and clicking Mark as Read, you can tame an overwhelming inbox in seconds and focus on what truly needs attention. Use this whenever your unread count starts to balloon and enjoy a cleaner, calmer view without losing